What is going on, guys? We are going to jump straight into this Sunday watch list because I know that this one isn't about all the BS. This is just straight to all the good stuff. So let's just hit the intro and let's get started.
I've been getting dirty money.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video.
Okay, guys, we've obviously had some winners. I've had one loser, which was NVDA. If you guys don't know that play, I bought puts on it last Thursday, and it's went up. I'm still holding this one. It'd be pointless for me to cut it, to be 100% honest with you right now, so I'm not cutting it whatsoever. But I have hit some other ones. F Ford, I called this one quite a while ago. I believe it was early last week. If I'm not mistaken, you guys can go back and look at the videos on my watch list. They're all for free, and it doesn't cost you anything. It costs you free 99 to literally watch all these videos for free. But go in, watch them. I'll tell you exactly what my thoughts were on it, why we were buying puts on it. Of course, it fits the strategy that we use every day, but me and my students use to swing trade these trades. Ford absolutely nailed this one. The other one that I have not bought, that I should have bought, is Lyft. I still think that we are going to get a pullback up into either where it's at right now or up in here to that $28 mark, and then we're going to see it push back down. Now, what you see on the two top charts is kind of where I wanted to keep this as well, because the 200 EMA, or the 200 moving average, is what everybody talks about on CNBC and all of that, is something that a lot of people have their eyes on. Am I one that watches this 200 EMA? No, because obviously you see that I didn't really care a whole lot when it broke through on certain things. But when it does hit these 200 EMAs, everybody is either looking for this to break through this on SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF, SPDR, whatever you want to call it. If this one does push through this 200, you are more than likely going to see some green days start happening again, and everything turning back around. Now, on the Amazon is the same exact way. Last week, I even called this. Again, we've had it hit once, twice, tried to get back up there, couldn't get back up there. Now we hit it 3 times, and I said that this was going to be a key point last week, and it couldn't make it and got absolutely destroyed. Congratulations to a couple of my students. Zach out there absolutely nailed some puts on this a couple of times, and then now we're trying to get back up into there, but it's really not being able to push very, very well. This pullback down, though, was definitely weaker than these, but I don't think we're through the mess yet. Again, I want to see what's coming out news-wise and all of that before, again, I ever make a decision to put my long-term money in, because a lot of you guys know I'm sitting on a lot of cash. Once again this year, this is the second time. This is the most cash I've ever sat on in my life before I'm going to put it all back in the market. But again, I use my strategy to be able to tell me when do I need to put it back in the market. Do I miss out on just a little bit? Yeah, but normally I have a way better entry than most people, and I don't have to deal with much of the downside like most people do. And that's one of the big factors when it comes down to me, and I'm able to know when I need to pull it all out, and that's what we did when we've had these downtrends. I have not been in for these giant downtrends. I've been able to pull my cash, run with it, and then be able to go and re-enter again. So that's something very, very important that I teach, and I teach the exact strategy. It's not very hard. It's very simple, actually, on how we do that. But the one I do like, Lyft, we are going to be watching DBX. Oh, I can't even type. DBX, I do think that this one is going to fall further. It hit a new low, bounced up. I do think you're going to see this one fall even further on this one. And then the other one I really want to watch this week is Work. We've traded this one quite a few times, actually. It is back up above the 200. I don't think, and we're going to go to a yearly chart on this one because it's not above it there. But I do think that you're going to see this one maybe get back up in here, fill a little bit of this gap, and that's basically what it's been trying to do, is fill this gap and then get rejected around that $28 mark again. So you got both Lyft and Work that are not very expensive stocks. You're going to be able to buy options dirt cheap, or be able to buy a couple shares of these stocks or short them, because again, I'm not going long on these. You're going to have to short them, or what I would recommend, like I do with everybody, is buy puts, it's going to limit your risk tremendously, and you're going to be able to make a lot more money faster. So with that being said, guys, that is my watch list. I'm really waiting for tomorrow morning to see what news comes out and, of course, what the Fed's going to say this week, because the Fed has been dictating so much of what's actually going on here lately. And then as well as when they speak, we have some major sell-offs. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching the watch list. I will see you guys in tomorrow's watch list as well. And if you are my student, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning.